Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by removing the AirTag from your Apple ID. This is necessary so the accessory can be paired again. Begin on the paired iPhone, open Find My, select the AirTag, choose Remove Item and confirm. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled and the AirTag is physically accessible. If the AirTag was in a holder, take it out. Pressing the metal back is easier on a flat surface. These steps ensure the device is ready for the full hardware reset. Now you'll reset the AirTag's internal pairing state by cycling the battery contact. Remove the cover by pressing and twisting. Take out the CR2032 battery. Reinsert the battery, press firmly until you hear a sound, then remove and repeat this press-remove cycle a total of 5 times to clear stored pairing data. After the 5th press, you should hear a distinct, longer chime. This indicates the AirTag is in reset-ready mode. Reposition the cover, but don't secure it fully yet. You can finish by holding the AirTag close to your iPhone. A pairing animation should appear. Tap Connect and assign a name. If it doesn't show, wait 10 seconds, then toggle Bluetooth and try again. Make sure the battery produced the chime during reset. No chime often means a dead or coded CR2032 battery, so swap it. If problems persist, restart the phone and attempt the 5-press reset again. This sequence clears pairing and restores the AirTag for fresh setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.